Hi, and welcome to Voice with Julia and day 107 of our Marchesi Vocal Challenge. Today we are still on triplets with exercises 156 and 157.
Voice with Julia, change your voice, change your life.
So I am going to group these two together because they are inversion pairs. One, we're going up da 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 on arpeggiations, and the other we're going down on the same arpeggiation. So I do think it is kind of fun to play with the duality of these two exercises. Marchesi does write that you keep transposing these as necessary. So they are pretty short. We're going up and down on the arpeggio. So if you notice, we start on C, then we move to E, then G, then C, then G, then E, then C. Okay, and it's the same way on 157, but instead of da 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 da, we're doing da 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 da. Okay, so let's take this slow. We're going to do 156. We're going to do a few iterations of this, and then we will dive into 157. And here is exercise 156. Now, what I think is very important for this is that you don't allow the breath to push on any of the triplets. You keep the breath very steady and you feel that feeling of down and out, okay? Just lightly, nothing too aggressive. Otherwise the throat, and that wasn't even that great. I could feel my throat start to come in on that one, so I would do that again. Which is a lot smoother, okay? It might feel a little deeper to you when you do that, whereas the other one might feel like, might feel lighter, but you can feel in the throat that that's a little too controlled. So, feels pretty comfortable to me. And you can experiment with that, feeling the release of the larynx, the yawn position, but no controlling with the tongue, with the jaw, nothing like that. So staying consistent on that vowel and no pushing or sausaging of the air. Okay, and exercise 157 is a little bit different because we are doing this da 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 with those leading tones to each of the arpeggio scale degrees, okay? So they are a little bit different. We're not doing da 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 da. Thank goodness, because actually that doesn't make sense. We're going so quick, right? We have to kind of feel that da 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 da. Okay. Oh, feel smooth. Yeah, let's keep going. Oh, don't take this too fast. Keep this steady, okay? Oh.